This is a Singer 9510. It's a small industrial sewing machine. I've just got a small 1 amp motor mounted on the back so I can use it, just basically carry it anywhere, set it up and use it on a tabletop. And it does not have reverse, but I'm using a Tech 70 thread with this stiff canvas here. I didn't bother to bring out my tripod for this one, but size 18 needle. Let's get everybody focused in. And like I said, it doesn't have reverse, and I'm holding the camera with one hand. And that's how hard it is to lock your stitch. Bear in mind, I'm one-handed here. There, the stitch is locked. So people that think you need reverse, it's nice to have it. I'm sure there was tons of stuff made before World War II on machines that did not have reverse. All right, that's it.